Good morning, beautiful moving people. So we didn't come that far, like maybe 100 meters, but before I saw the good old fountain here. And yeah, before we start the adventure, we're just gonna fill up the water. Let's do it. Okay, beautiful moving people, let's get this video started. So got myself some liters of water, even though I have a tank in Helix, or Helix has a tank, a water tank, which is almost half full, as you saw in a video, a couple of videos back. I tend to load some extra bottles of water just in case. And yeah, welcome back to a new video. I don't know, it's a bit all over the place now. I'm excited, and we're moving on. Before we start, I need to dial in the location that we're striving for today. We're gonna be moving the southern brain freeze. I forgot what I wanted to say. The compass is showing south. We're going to be traveling land inwards today. Found a couple of nice places, like over the communities, which we're gonna try and get to today. Break time. Dear moving people, having a break, went and got some supplies for the next week. Having my lunch, short lunch, and then we'll drive on. Unfortunately, one of the biggest missions of today is not yet able to be done, because as far as I see, no I stopped like at maybe 4 or 5 tankstellen, and they have no vacuum cleaner. I don't know what to say. Probably it's not standard, but we will find one, because kind of that is the one of the biggest missions today, as I said. And yeah, lange Rede, kurzer Sinn, we drive on. We made it, dear people. We found it. The aspiradore. Okay, so this is excuse-moi. Like in the lunch break, I didn't say that, I don't know. But the gas is empty, so that's why I was looking for this kind of tankstelle, tank station, and we found it. And as you heard now, a bit excited. The aspirador is also here, so big mission of the day can be accomplished now, one after the other. Grande, we have it. So now we're gonna be making a bit of space in this mess. and then start with the aspiration. Yoo-hoo! Oh, okay. Okay, friends of the way. Wait a sec, I'll have to put this back. So the first big round has been done. This was an amazing experience for me. Now we're gonna kloppen the tabby here and we're out of here. Putting everything now inside and getting ready to finish the day. So about an hour later, beautiful moving people, we found a spot for the night. Yeah, well, we came to the, how do you say, to the limits with Helix. The place there where you saw at the end of the time lapse, it was steep, and yeah, the baby is, let's say, doesn't have the 4x4. It's heavy, so yeah, we're making the best of it. We found also another Tankstellen because I forgot to tank before, so we got that also done, ready for the next adventure. And now we are here at the Hermitage, whatever this is. Some kind of church thing, I don't know. Monastery? We will explore maybe tomorrow a bit. Maybe stay the day here, I don't know. And that's that. Thanks for sticking by for till this moment, for sure, till the end. Thumbs up to you. Yeah, if you are not yet subscribed, hit that button. And with this call, I'll just say good night and see you in the next video. Cheers!